What's up guys, Spoofy Mods here. Today I'll be showing you how to install and use Dark Comet for other people to write their PCs. First of all, you're going to install Dark Comet and load it up. That's already signed me on to there. Remove that. You're going to go to socket/net and you're going to add port and listen. Once you click listen, it should show up here, and whatever it says here, 1096, is going to be your port to open. That's your socket handle. Okay, so what you're going to do is we're going to go to our modem's IP and login. So we're going to go to CMD to find what our IP is, and then you're going to go to 192.168.0.1, depends which you got, and you're also going to need your IP4 address for it to port forward. This is for port forwarding. So go to the default gateway addresses, and then you're going to log in. Then you go to your advanced settings and find port forwarding. Okay, so once there's, you see I've already got mine added, Dark Comet. You're going to name it whatever. Oh shit. Sorry about that. You're going to name it whatever you want. The start port's going to be whatever it is here, so 1096. And that's going to be end port as well, 1096. And it's going to be TCP and UDP. And here is going to be your IP4 address, which mine is 192.168.0.10. Okay, so you can type 10 and add it. And then click add role, then apply. Then we're going to go to noip.com. You're going to need this for your server. You're going to sign in or sign up, depending if you already got an account. Then you're going to add a host. You need it to be noip.biz and type whatever you want. Make sure that's your actual IP using, if not, this will not work. Type what your host name want to be, then click update host. And as you can see, my host is already here. Okay, now we're going to create the stub, the rat, for example. We're going to go over to server module, full editor. Then this where people don't really take their time on. You don't really have to take time, but I guess the server ID is going to be Spoofy Mods, the name when they're going to connect, and it's going to be user for when they connect. People don't really take their time on this, they just skip, and this is going to be your domain address, your server, and then click add. Your port's going to be 1604. You can change that to 1096, but keep it as 1604 because that's the default port here, the listen port. Click add, and then on the startup you want it to hide in the temp folder so no one can find it. They can, but that takes them some time. And then you want it to always come back and hide it. Okay, you can have an install message if you want, and a module shield to stop it from being caught. So if it kills, it comes back, and you want to disable all these as well as these. Okay, once done, you can choose your icon and finalize the stub. So desktop is going to be case. Once built, you can send it to your friends and get them to run it, and it should show up here hopefully. There you go. I am connected to the IP, so what you can do, you can remote desktop with them, hit start capture, and as you can see, this is going to be a load of screens because I'm my desktop, but you can do so much with it. The fun functions, you can actually hide or do all this. Open and close a disk tray. I can open mine, send a message box, like an error message box, remote chat. This is going to be your chat, and that's going to be there, so they can't close this until you close yours. And also you can steal their passwords, which I'm not going to show you how to do that, but I can show you where it is, stored passwords. Because if I click on this, mine will show up, and I don't really want to do that. But also, if you don't want to test this on your PC, download Sandboxy Control. It's a fake task manager, so when you drag and drop it, enter there, click OK, and there you go, you got another user signed on as well. But terminate that, and that's all done. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.